Carl is a CATIA V5 designer working with 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud. For this car seat project, Carl was able to carry over existing CATIA V5 data and collaborate with the extended team on the platform. From Collaborative Tasks application, he manages his activity for this project and can open related data in CATIA V5 directly from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. He is performing design updates for this new version of the car seat. From his CATIA V5 session connected to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, he can directly propagate modifications. Carl can also access to collaborative applications easily from the side panel. Using Collaborative Tasks app, he complete the task associated to latest modifications and attach the design as deliverable with a simple drag and drop. Maria is a 3DEXPERIENCE designer working with Carl on the same project. She is in charge of delivering the electrical systems. From the project planning app, she follow the roadmap of the project and access to the detail of each needed tasks. She can access to a set of application on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform based on her roles. From Product Structure Editor and 3D Compose web applications, she can explore and reveal the car seat digital mockup. Navigating on the product definition, she gets access to the right information, from anywhere, anytime, and perfectly understand the way the design is composed. For instance, this car seat is based on multicad assets. Now she starts working on the design of the electrical part of the car seat, taking benefit from 3DEXPERIENCE native applications. She can design the electrical part on top of CATIA V5 car seat design context with associativity between 3DEXPERIENCE and CATIA V5 designs. Maria goes back to the 3DEXPERIENCE web platform to share with Carl the needed modifications of design. For that, she is using the 3D markup application available with Collaborative Industry Innovator role. With 3D markup application, Maria is able to capture and share easily the intent of her request. Then Carl just needs to open this review to understand what he needs to do. Carl opens the car seat design and a message informs him that the opened data contains non-CATIA V5 native data. Those data are emulated so Carl can manage his modifications in the context of multicad structure. Carl modifies the CATIA V5 design and he can refer to the display of the 3DEXPERIENCE electrical bundle. Errors are reduced because he can perform modifications directly at right place. That's a huge adding value for Carl. He is able to perform quickly and precisely modifications. Once design modifications are done, he propagates the changes, performing a revision directly from the CATIA V5 save panel. Maria will now consolidate the multicad structure with design modifications brought by Carl. Still with Product Structure Editor, she is looking for new revisions. With Compare capabilities, she can easily understand modifications made on CATIA V5 design. Product Structure Editor app can author the product structure, and this is from this application that Maria will replace revision by new one. Product structure and 3D are updated and refreshed to instantly reflect changes. When effective collaboration intersects with world-class engineering, it's a winning combination that empowers the existing CATIA user experience by extending CATIA V5 performance with the addition of new capabilities. V5 users can value the benefits of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud and will appreciate the mobility, collaboration, and security it offers. It provides the opportunity to increase productivity by leveraging the extensive portfolio of capabilities available on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform when augmenting customers' assets, meaning data, and process methods and tool.